Bridal wedding makeup tips and tricks. At your wedding, you'd want to make sure that you always look your best in the photos. After all, pictures last forever, right? That's why it's important to understand how wearing makeup can help you achieve your best bridal beauty. Fancy a never-ending resource of wedding makeup trends, marriage traditions, interesting wedding trivia and unique wedding stories around the world? Too easy. Just take a moment to quickly subscribe and click the bell icon. I promise, you'll surely never miss out again. Look flawless on your wedding day with these makeup tips. As a bride, you have a well-deserved right to feel beautiful on your big day. Consider your wedding season. Choose a foundation that will go and not against the season of your wedding. If it's summer, wear something that doesn't get too shiny too fast. If it's winter, go for a foundation that won't look flat or too dry. Also, if your wedding starts from daytime and will extend until nighttime, choose a long-wearing foundation. Do some prep work on your lips. Apply lip balm before putting on gloss or lipstick to avoid dry and flaky lips. Next, fill in your whole lip with a lip pencil to hold the color longer. If you only want to wear a gloss, expect the color to fade. But using a lip pencil will help in keeping some of the color longer. Drink lots of water. Before your big day, it is highly recommended that you drink lots of water. This will keep your skin hydrated, which makes it perfect for makeup application. Have a bridal makeup trial. Usually, freelance makeup artists offer a free trial makeup session before the actual wedding day. A trial makeup session is important both for you and the makeup artist. You have the chance to try different looks and know which one is right for you and has a lasting effect. Choose waterproof. Use waterproof makeup on your big day. Keep a beauty blender on hand for blotting a tear. If you don't like waterproof mascara, use it over your other mascara to give it an extra coat. When you're wearing false lashes, use a waterproof glue as well. Aim for a balance in your look. If you want to have a smoky look, choose natural color for your lips and go light on your skin makeup. If you want to have bold lips, it's also good to go light on your skin makeup. Carry a makeup bag for touch-ups. Keep a few products on hand in your makeup bag. It's a must that you carry your lipstick since it tends to wear out the fastest and needs to be touched up the most. Other important products to bring include blotting papers, translucent powder, and Q-tips for cleaning out the makeup that can collect in the inner corners of the eyes. Choose a good foundation. A good foundation is one that is close to your skin tone or the tone of your neck. Always use a sponge or brush when applying your foundation. Avoid using your fingers, which can leave bacteria, dirt, and fingerprints on your face. For a more natural look, apply the foundation by using a sponge and stippling it instead of swiping it across your skin. Doing so will also blend the foundation more evenly into your skin. Apply moisturizer prior to self-tanning. Moisturizers act as a barrier when you're applying self-tan. Apply moisturizer prior to application on problem areas to keep them from going any darker. Never use a moisturizer on the whole body and risk diluting your self-tan color. Use moisturizer to blend afterward around the hairline, crease in the wrist, and back of the heel. Keep your manicure simple. Avoid bright and punchy polish that will distract from your white wedding dress. Also, chips are more noticeable on bright nails. Wear softer shades that are sheer, not chalky. If your skin has pink undertones, choose a sheer pink polish. For olive undertones, warm beiges will look good. Women with dark skin tones can choose either sheer pink or warm beiges. However, steer clear of whitish shades which can look gray. Use a teeth whitening product. You'd be celebrating your big day, so you'd be smiling a lot. You'd want to flash a smile with your pearly whites white. There you have it. What is your best makeup tip for a bride-to-be? Share your thoughts by hitting the comment box below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.